Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, that person will be the lowest ranked of the inmates of paradise, whose face Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will turn from hell to paradise and make a shady tree for him. That man will submit, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, draw me near this tree so that I may lie in its shade. Imam Muslim says the remaining part of the hadith is similar to that of the previous one, but it does not mention what can terminate your aspirations, and it adds that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, aspire for such and such thing, and when his desires will come to an end, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, take these as well as 10 times like them. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will then admit him to his dwelling, and his 2 wives from beautiful-eyed maidens will enter his house and come to him and say, all praise unto Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, who has kept you alive for us and kept us alive for you. That man will say, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has conferred upon me so many bounties as have not been granted to anybody else. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 463.